Hey guys, it's Soham again from Team 16197 Swarm. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to navigate around parts and view them more easily. Now, when you're using SolidWorks or any CAD program, it's always easier to use a mouse. Mice have multiple buttons that you'll use, and it's just easier to navigate around everything. The first thing we're going to do is rotate around whatever you're using. In SolidWorks, this is accomplished by holding down the middle mouse button. To pan, click Control and then click the middle mouse button, and you can drag the screen around. To zoom in, you can scroll with the middle mouse button and move around to view different parts. If you zoom out and you move your mouse to a point, you can zoom into that specific point. Now let's go to different views. If you click Control 1, you can line up to different edges of your views. Go Control 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for different edges of your model. You can also go up here and click different faces and see them at this angle, like so. These are the simple ways to interact with parts in your SolidWorks view pane and move them around so you can get access to different parts of the model.